you can see it in the way I dress. And you should know this by the way I finesse. Or you can see it way before I come. Ain't gotta say where I'm from, don't act dumb. I'm from Oakland. All right, top of it with y'all. What's happening? Basically, the day before we go to Ours Day, got all the bikes cleaned, prepped, ready to go. Last time I was at Sonoma, that was when I think I first did the 520 and the exhaust cat delete. Here's some of that footage. That track day was pretty chill. It was overcast. It wasn't great, but it was really good. So we're going to bring all of the 3 YZF-R brands. It's going to be a specific Yamaha track day this Monday. Obviously, the R3 is for Jalen. If we get the opportunity to go ahead and run the kart track, I want Jalen to try that kart track as well. Fingers crossed they let him on the track with us, the big track. Bringing the R6, my coworker Craig is going to ride this. I might jump on it as well. We know my main focus is going to be this, getting used to this, getting comfortable with this again. Doing so much kart track riding on this made this bike feel foreign. This is the heaviest. This is the most powerful. This is like the Don Dada of the lineup. And I really got to get my game back on this. So I'm really going to take it easy. Another sprocket improvement and a lot more power is going to be this track day's hurdle. So we're going to feel it out, see what we can see with this. And that should be pretty cool. Craig's going to jam on this. He's going to have some fun, get some footage. Because honestly, track days are cooler when you got your friends, your people with you. And we're just going to cruise around, chill, and have some fun. Eventually, I think I or Craig will also jump on this and hit a couple of laps just to get that experience in and see what 300s are like around the big track. So I might as well bring all of the R models that I currently enjoy. Maybe next year I will bring the FZR 600 and the other R1, the 5VY. We'll see how this R's Day goes, and then next R's Day, I'll bring every powerful model that R made lineup. That should be a blast. There will be some friends that'll be there. As I said, bringing my coworker, one of the homies off of Instagram that I met up with his S1000RR. He has an R6 as well, so he's gonna bring his R6. And hopefully see a couple of more other friends out there. So I got a few more small things to do in the garage. Before we even get to the other track day, I'm gonna show y'all a different track day. We went to go do our thing at ADS, the Amateur Drift Series. I'm judging. I brought my car because I wanted to play a little bit. Here's some of that footage and even got Jalen to drive. So check that out. pretty sick getting to see Jalen drive my car for the first time. He did really good. You didn't do too bad. He can't fit the seating position just yet, but we made it work. We rolled up one of the driving suits and put it behind him so he could sit up a little bit more. But I mean, that's just real cool to watch. So anyway, next vlog you see, track day, actual track day. So this is just the prelude to it. I'm gonna check y'all out, give y'all two, and we out.